So I've been working for the last couple weeks at an actual tailor shop and working on an automatic industrial sewing machine that automatically winds the bobbin as you sew. So I decided to attempt the same thing on my regular plain old sewing machine. It's an Omega, no, I don't know what it is. It's an Omega something. And so normally you have it here, while the bobbin thing here while you're sewing, and you push it this way while you're winding the bobbin. So I just ran out of my white, and I've decided to attempt to see if it works the same way that way. So I've done a couple of strands to get it going normally, rethreaded the rest of my sewing machine, and now, so I've got my bobbin. So this is my regular yarn I'm going to sew with, and then this is the stuff I'm winding the bobbin with. So I've got it going over here, hooked to my second sewing machine on one of the little, one of the little thread loops, and then coming back over here onto the second one of the little tension things here, and then back into the bobbin thing. Okay, so let's see if this works, if it'll just go while I'm sewing, because that would be so simple. Okay, it's actually moving. I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but and it's actually moving up and down as well. Oh my goodness, it's actually working. And see, so I've got it just hooked right here. And it's filling it up while I'm sewing here. That's amazing.